The Cookswell oven user instructions. Here are some short guidelines for using your charcoal oven. To start off with, open the front doors and then open the heat control doors. We find that the easiest way to light the fire is to use a fire lighter, which is available from Cookswell or from a local supermarket. Slowly load small pieces of charcoal around the fire lighter inside of the clay liner. Once the fire is lit and the flames are starting to die down into hot coals that are a bit grey, you can then close the doors. The air vents under the fire control the heat in the oven. The further open they are, the hotter the oven is. Try and keep the doors closed as much as possible to avoid losing any of the heat. Now you're ready to start cooking. Depending on what you're making, you can use a baking pan, tin foil, a casserole dish, or even just put things straight on the grill. Once you pop everything into the oven, just shut the doors, sit back, and let it do all the hard work. Because it's a convection oven, there's little need of turning and flipping things. The heat goes all the way around what you're cooking. Just relax and get ready for a great meal. Your jiko loves to cook a good pizza. Whether it's thin crust or deep dish with your choice of toppings, just pop them right in and pop them right out at full heat for a delicious pie. Cooking for longer? Simply just add a small handful of charcoal and let the smoke die down until it's grey coals, and then you're ready to go again. Your Cookswell oven is an excellent baker. You can use it just like a gas or electric oven to bake all of your favorite breads, pies, cakes, and muffins. With just a little bit of practice, you and your oven will be the envy of the neighborhood. First, empty out the ashtrays and the grease trap after each use. For washing your jiko, we find it easiest to do when it's still warm. You can just wipe it down with a damp cloth, or if it's cold, just use hot soapy water and steel wool. Thank you very much for watching this, and we hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us here.